Hello again, welcome back. This is Sophican from Sophican.com, and this is part 6 of the tutorial series on making a tower defense game using processing 2. So we're just going to finish up what we were working on with the creeps. So the error that we were getting was because we weren't ending the path soon enough. The creeps were actually trying to check for the next position after the end. So if we go down to our path and in our check position function, you'll see here if lane is greater than all lanes dot length, then return finish, and this should actually be all lanes dot length -1 because we want to include that last cell as well. Okay, so that's it for that. That should work fine now. But while we're on the topic of the creeps leaking, let's just set up a basic function for that. So we'll go back to the main tab, and we'll just call it leak. Actually, let's leave it lowercase, maintain consistency, and this will take in a creep. Alright, so all that we're going to do here is remove the creep from all creeps. Remove it. And then we'll just pass in the creep that we're talking about. And we should also just print line, so just a little debug message letting us know. Print line. A creep has leaked. Okay, and so to call that, where are we going to call that? In the creep class, right here where we had commented leak, we'll just call it there. And then we could just pass in this, and then it'll send them the creep. Okay, so that looks like it should work pretty good. So let's just test that out. Get our ticky going along. And then so with that, once they reach the end, we won't get that error, and it'll the method that leaks the creep will be called, which right now it doesn't do anything aside from removes them from memory, but we could build upon that when we start getting our actual level mechanics going, you know, like how many lives the player has and that kind of thing. But here they go, coming up, and the creep has leaked. A creep has leaked. So that should work for all of them. Alright, so the next thing that I want to do, so this video is going to be pretty short, we're almost done here, but so right now we're using this basic mask, so this basic path, but I actually made another one here that that we can use, and it's a little bit more intricate. And in case you want to make your own, this kind of refreshes on how to do that. So I just made these in GIMP, and I actually set grid guides to 64 by 64, which would give us cells the same size as our cell size, and that way I could just make sure that I'm drawing in the right position. So yeah, look up a GIMP tutorial if you don't know what I mean by that, but just use grid lines or guides at 64 by 64 size, and it'll be a lot easier for you to draw the path in the right position. And also, if you notice, I got some shading and stuff too. It makes it look a lot cleaner, because if it's just solid edges, it really doesn't look that good. So yeah, just pointing that out. But anyway, so let's switch it over to this guy, which is dirt mask 2 .png. So I'll just add the 2 to the dirt mask right here. And then I'm going to play it now, but it'll, like right now, we have the path on there, but it's still using the last path. As you can see, they're still running along where they would before. So I still have that debug message that gives us our coordinates that we click on. So let's just click on every single corner, starting from the spawn. So I want them to spawn at this side. You could also start here and work that way, but I'm just going to do it this way. I'm going to click there, and then I'm just going to click every single turn point. Some of these won't draw the tower because if it's on part of the path that the creeps are currently using, it won't draw them. So I think I got them all in the right order. So now with that, we could just replace the path just like this. Copy the coordinates and just paste them in. Actually, what I just did there is select everything and did Control T, and that formats everything for me really nicely. Yeah, just with the spacing and stuff. Anyway, yeah, so that should be it. Let's test out our new path in case I misclicked somewhere. See, so now they run along the new path. And again, yeah, so you could feel free to build your own path. I might do a GIMP tutorial, who knows, on making it, just to be all-inclusive on that. And that would probably include sprites as well. But for now, we're sticking with processing. Yeah, so that's it. They're running along the path nicely. We're not getting the error anymore when they finish the path. So, yeah, that's it for this video. I think in the next video we're probably going to work on the towers again and just have them like start attacking, or at least creating the animation and some kind of link. That way, once we do work on damage and creep defenses and creep health, the attack system will already be ready. So we'll probably just work on those back to back. Yeah, so catch me next time. Thanks for watching, and have fun. Oh yeah, so one more thing before I stop this video. I should mention my website, safacon.com, and so there you can get all these files, and also the source code here. So anyway, yeah, catch you guys next time.